This is 5 different types of learners you will find in a class. Number 1, you have the one that's always raising up his hand, bro. Like, this guy always have the answer. He's like the Elon Musk of this world, of this class, or whatever, bro. This guy is smart, bro. I'm telling you. He makes you feel dumb, like you can't do nothing. Number 2, you have the class clown. Bro, the class clown every day has a new type of joke, bro. Bro, I'm telling you, they don't run out. It's like he refreshes, bro. It's like he fill in the fuel for his jokes, bro. He doesn't lose his touch. He doesn't lose his cool. Number 3, you have the one that lies about everything. This guy lies about having something that's not even out yet, bro. I'm telling you, those people that lies, you will find them in that class, bro. They can lie about anything. Number 4, you have the one that's always angry. It's like every morning before he comes to school, his parents have to smack him, bro. Because the way he's looking, bro, it's like he wants to kill you, bro. He's a serial killer. Number 5, you have the one that's always sleeping, bro. It's like he gets paid to sleep in class. I'm telling you, he does not care what's going on. And at the end of the term or the year, he's passing with straight 7s. I'm gonna hit you.